Hi friends, I hope you are having a wonderful week so far. Today I am going to be showing you a wrap that is oddly simple and difficult at the same time. At least it's difficult for me. If you have an easier time of it, I would love to hear it. I think that in general I struggle a little bit more with turban style wraps, both in terms of technique and also in terms of just feeling comfortable wearing them. So that is what we are doing today. I am doing a turban wrap with a square scarf. So I have taken my square and folded it into a triangle. I'm gonna link in the description box the video where I saw this wrap, and she makes it look really easy. I don't know what her scarf is made out of, but it's not the same thing as mine. Anyway, so I am going to start by putting it around the back of my head and making sure that I have plenty of room to cover. And then I'm going to take this triangle here and I'm going to fold that, get both layers, there we go, fold that underneath. So this is always a little bit more difficult, I think, when you're wearing a shaper because everything just kind of wants to stick to it. But yeah, so fold that front triangle under, and then I'm going to bring up my two sides. I am going to do my best here to tuck in and keep things tidy. Things especially like to pop out around the front, I find, and we don't want that. And both of sides of my scarf are just kind of gonna form their own pleats naturally. And then I am going to cross them over. Now in the video, she did one side and then the other, and I have not, for the life of me, been able to get that to work, to have one side stay put while I do the other. But yeah, so I'm going to cross them and then continue bringing them around the back. And then here I am just going to give them a little tie, like so. If you wanted to leave that down, by all means, but I'm going to take my two little ends and we're just gonna tuck them up and underneath the first edges of the scarf. There we go. And it's gonna wanna be a little bit lopsided. So if you don't mind that, you could lead into it. I bet it would look super cute, really over to one side. Scooch it back if you like a little bit more showing at the hairline. Make sure nothing is poking out up here. And that is the look. So here it is from the front, from the side, from the back, and the other side. So I'm always looking for more ways to wear square scarves. I thought this was a really good one. I think I'm gonna have to keep working at it a little bit more to get truly comfortable, but let me know how you like it. So until next time, that's a wrap for me. Thank you so much for watching.